Bollywood personalities we lost due to COVID. Bikramjit Kavarpal. Popular Bollywood actor and a retired army officer who has acted in many Bollywood movies and web shows. At the age of 52, Bikramjit Kavarpal breathed his last breath after facing complications due to COVID-19. His demise created a void in the Bollywood industry, and Bollywood celebs were in shock after hearing this. Satish Kaul. Veteran Punjabi actor Satish Kaul, who has acted in Mahabharata, which aired on Doordarshan, is no more. The actor contracted COVID-19 at the age of 74, and due to complications, the actor left us all. Shripada. Popular Bollywood and Bhojpuri actress Shripada, who has worked with several top actors, is no more with us. On 6th of May, Shripada lost her life after suffering from COVID-19 for several days. Several Bollywood and Bhojpuri personalities have mourned the untimely demise of this actress. Abhilasha Patil. Abhilasha Patil was a popular Bollywood actress who even acted in movies like Chichore. The actress had a long battle against COVID-19, but unfortunately, she lost her battle on 5th of May and left us too soon. Chandru Tomar. Shooter Dadi aka Chandru Tomar, on whose life the movie Sand Ki Aankh was made, is no more. Her demise left Taapsee Pannu and Bhumi Pednekar in a state of shock as they were a part of the movie. On 30th April, Chandru Tomar breathed her last at the age of 89 at the hospital in Meerut. Rohit Sardana. Very popular journalist Rohit Sardana will be missed, and his departure has left a void in Indian journalism. The journalist was infected with COVID-19 and was undergoing a treatment in ICU, where he lost his life due to heart attack. Pandu. Popular actor Pandu, who has played several supporting roles throughout his career, has left us all. On 6th of May, the actor left for his heavenly abode after suffering from coronavirus. Ramu. Kannada film producer Ramu passed away due to COVID-19 on 26th of April. He was admitted at the MS Ramaiah Hospital in Bengaluru, where he breathed his last. Shravan Rathore. Composer Shravan Rathore, at the age of 66, left for his heavenly abode on 22nd April after suffering from COVID-19. KV Anand. He was suffering from chest pain and got admitted to a private hospital. It was reported that he had COVID complications. The veteran director and cinematographer breathed his last in Chennai on 30th of April.